Welcome to Smoking Roux. I'll give you a quick update on where we're at with the channel. So we started this channel out as just family projects we were doing around the house. Smoking Roux name comes from, I'm from Texas, my wife is from Louisiana, hence the Roux, and we are just living the dream. How about that? So we have projects and we also do cook-offs at the same time, but the channel has mainly changed more so on this platform. It's Smoking Roux as the cooking platform where a wife does all kinds of Cajun dishes, and I throw in the mix of all the Texas side of things where we smoke everything or it's on the grill or those type of things. So thanks for watching. I'm sure Mortsky may have sent you over from Mortsky Repair. He has a very large following. We spent the weekend in North Dakota, so we drove roughly 3,000 miles. It's 1,500 each way to go up there to pick up our new shop truck, which I'll post in here. And we also have another truck that you may know if you watch Old Truck Guy from Oklahoma or Puddin's Fab Shop. You might recognize this truck. That is the 56 3200 Chevy truck that Puddin and Old Truck Guy pulled out of a junkyard this early spring. I think we drove to Oklahoma and picked that up in February. So that we've kind of make a change. Coming to find out, it's not as the truck we wanted to have as a keeper as a shop truck. We're not sure what we're going to do with it. It is for sale, so if somebody makes us a good offer, let us just reach out to us. But thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our actual truck and project stuff, you can go to Smoking Roux Garage, and I'm fixing to show you some of that. So stick around. All right, so I'll show you what this is. So everything that happens in the house, that's where all the cooking happens. There's a large smoker on the back porch. That's where we do all the cooking stuff. That's where that comes from. But I'm going to take you into the shop so you can see where the Smoking Roux Garage side happens. Don't mind the storage. So here's the prize we just picked up from Mortsky last weekend. There's also the Lodestar that's getting the come and swap over here. I've got to get it done before I work on any other projects. 82 Jeep Scrambler, lsswap. That was a COVID project we did. You can go back to some of our old videos and see that. I will be posting, those currently are on the old channel. I'm in the process of moving everything over to the garage channel that has anything to do with what's in the shop. The algorithms that YouTube works off of, we lose a lot of followers because they don't want to see cooking. They just want to see shop stuff or vice versa. So we're split the channel in two. Hoping that'll pick up a little bit better. So truck, it's love it so far. We're gonna do already have some small things ordered for it to try to dress it up a little bit to make it a more comfortable ride. You know, we've done the Jeep stuff here in South Texas. I say South Texas, we're south of Houston. The humidity's 1,000% and the summer heat's a killer. So anytime you pull up to, you go anywhere, you pull up to a stop sign, you start melting anyways. So we decided we want a little bit more comfort stuff and plus be able to go to local truck shows or cooking events. So we're going with the 67 LS swapped already. It's got a 5.3 in it for now. And that's where we're at. So again, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to either channel. You can be Smoking Roux or Smoking Roux Garage. And hope you like the content. Thanks for watching. And thanks, Mortsky, for giving us the shout out that he did. Dude's crazy. I mean, literally, we drove up there to pick up a truck. We ended up carrying El Camino up there with us, dropped it off. We ended up getting all of the cookies from Mojo for the day and a bunch of merch, which was none of that was expected. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget the shot cat.